1. Rinse and drain the lentils and rice. You may wish to wash them together for the sake of time, multiple times, either using a wire strainer or the pot of your rice cooker. 2. Add the lentils, rice, water/stock, and, optionally, seasoning and pre-cooked vegetables. 3. Stir well. 4. Secure lid. 5. Cook for 35 minutes. 6. When finished, unplug the cooker and set it aside with the lid partially removed to allow the food to cool a bit. 7. Finished.